Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're looking at a 2013 Great Dane 32 foot by 96 air ride suspension. Folks, this unit has set up with a Moffett kit. Folks, this is a beautiful unit, steel wood. This unit's been blasted, primed and repainted, brand new kingpin plate underneath. As you can see, the wood is in excellent condition. This unit has a brand new buyer's toolbox, refurb steel outer rim, brand new rubber, air ride suspension, brand new brakes and drums. Moffett kit on the back. Beautiful unit, looks brand new, folks. As we come around, brand new rubber, steel refurbed rim on the outer, brand new brakes, brand new straps, refurbed ratchets. You can take a look at our website, 99lifts.com. Take a look at our trucks, our flatbed trucks, our flatbed trailers, our Moffett, Princeton, and LoadMax. We have refurbed units ranging all years, 2-ways and 4-ways. Give us a call at 260-238-4998.